Yeah, fantastic beauties, muscle cars, and hot rods coming up. There's a beautiful bikini babe and a 1970 Dodge Challenger RT. There's a gorgeous beauty and a 1924 Dodge Roadster hot rod. Cute honey and a 1936 Pontiac Custom Coupe. A knockout chick and a 1939 Delahaye 165 Cabriolet. There's a hot looking female. Looks like she's about to lose her top there. 1957 Buick Custom also. There's a luscious lady, a 1963 Chevy Custom Impala SS 409. There's a foxy lady, a 1969 Chevrolet Nova SS two-door coupe. There's a big bikini gal and a 1971 Plymouth Custom Cuda. There's a sexy babe in a 2009 to 2016 Zenbo ST1 top speed 233 miles per hour. Wow. Okay, please like and subscribe. That's all she wrote there. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.